What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Just got off work and we're about to get in alignment. Let's see if we can get this baby dialed in.
That's got to be pressed in. The spindle's got to come off.
Yeah. Okay.
So
I have a press at the house and I can get a ball joint order and I can do that. But
okay.
thank you so much, man. It's been driving me insane.
Yeah, it's going to have to be realigned when you do that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So anytime you take the front end apart, yeah.
Okay. And I've been wanting to get some upper control arms that have the camber adjustments.
Yeah.
So I can get that and that.
Yep.
And we can do all at the same time.
Yep.
Awesome. Thank you, man.
All right.
Appreciate it. All right, so my man found the culprit of the problem. It's the lower ball joints, mainly the one on the passenger side, but we're gonna go ahead and just get both. And like I said in the video, we're gonna get some upper control arms that have the camera adjustments, and then we'll be back to get it aligned again. He's gonna go ahead and do the alignment now, just so I quit going through tires. But upper control arm, ball joints, and then fresh tires for the SIs. That's what's next.
What is it you want, Barry? What do you want? You want the moon? Just say the word and I'll throw a lasso around and pull it down. Hey, that's a pretty good idea. I'll give you the moon, Barry.
Okay.
Baby, I can give you the moon. You know you can do what I do, yeah, it's true. Girl, I think I'm dying real soon. We could die in my room, me and you. Baby, I can give you the moon. You know you can do what I do, yeah, it's true. Girl, I think I'm dying real soon. We could die in my room, me and you. I'ma keep you in mind while I drive right by. Say goodbye to the night sky. Wasting my time.
What's going on, dudes? So we are back. Today is a different day. Last we talked, I was getting an alignment and the car feels great. Ever since I did that rack and pinion job, everything's just been out of whack, but the car finally feels balanced again. If you guys didn't watch that last video I posted, go check it out. But the car's been making this screeching noise. It comes to find out it's been a lower ball joint issue. They were both worn out. Passenger's a lot worse than the driver's side, but after the tech did the alignment and everything, he brought the data back and he showed me that all four corners were sitting about -2 degrees camber, which is not that big of a deal, but for like my daily driver, I'm trying to save tires. I'm gonna get some front and rear camber arms and get everything set back to 0. So we'll be doing lower ball joints and some more suspension work here in the near future. But today we're gonna go ahead and pop the steering wheel off. It's off just a little bit from when I messed with it last time when I tried to align it, but shouldn't be too difficult if I still remember how to do it.
Do that again, and I ain't tripping, I'm high. In the trunk of the Benz is where my women reside, where my women will die. I ain't got no friends and I don't listen to y'all. I'm quick for the fall and the winter and all. When the summer come, I'ma have enough to get the fuck out. I could buy a truck and drive that motherfucking truck out. Tryna buy luck, if you don't die, that means you lucked out. I ain't tryna fuck, I see the moon and bug the fuck out.
Barry, I know what I'm gonna do tomorrow, and the next day, and next year, and the year after that. I'm shaking the dust of this crummy little town off my feet, and I'm gonna see the world. Italy, Greece, the Parthenon, the Colosseum. Then I'm coming back here and go to college to see what they know, and then I'm gonna build things. I'm gonna build airfields, I'm gonna build skyscrapers 100 stories high, I'm gonna build bridges a mile long. Were you gonna throw a rock? Hey, that's pretty good. What'd you wish, Mary?
how we look after all the vacuuming. I went over everything about 3-4 times, just preparing for when I shampoo. All right, we're slowly running out of daylight. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out vacuuming on passenger seat and the back seat. Small update. Excuse me. Driver's seat is vacuumed. Passenger seat is vacuumed. And the back seat is vacuumed. It's first thing tomorrow when I get up. We're just gonna start shampooing. This will be the first thing I shampoo. That way it has all day to dry. We'll be doing, this will be number 1. All the interior will be number 2. And I will be doing these after the fact. Alright guys, so I ran out of water and formula, but honestly, this shit ain't going no way. I'm just putting holes in the carpet at this point. This carpet is 30 years old and it's just time to be replaced, so.
I should've curbed you. I know I'm the worst, but I could be cool too. And you got them dance moves, and I got this vibe. I swear it's perfect to ride to. I wanna die too. We all wanna die too. I got this vibe. I swear she love getting high too. I love getting high too. I wanna hide you. How did I find you? I'll be inside. I'm making music to cry to. Oh, it's a lonely world, I know. Gon' get a lonely girl, that's for sure.
Yeah, so pretty much this thing's just a full-on race car now. Next we're gonna pull the door panels and the dash. Nah, I'm just playing.
Oh, it's a lonely world, I know. Gon' get a lonely girl, that's for sure.
Last but not least, we're gonna vacuum one more time before I install the driver's seat. All right, that's gonna be it for today. We did a little more than we intended to, but we're heading in the right direction. So at this point, it's basically Project Save the Daily. But appreciate you guys sticking around for today's video. See you guys in the next one.